So talking about modifications that fulfill your needs, here's one I found. I have to say this compartment here is for me pretty useless. I have no use for a 12 volt outlet since I have USB charging in here, and it would be great to like have your phone in here, but well the phones today are getting bigger and bigger, so they really don't go in here anyway. And after a bit of research, I actually found this one. Now, isn't that perfect? You can even fit your glasses in here, like that. So let's install this one. And this one is super easy to take out. You only have 2 Torx on each side that you loosen up. Sitting in here. And then when you take it up, you just grab it underneath and put it up a bit. There we go. And then you just disconnect the connector for the 12 volt outlet. And now for taking this trim off, you just pop it out like that. Same here. And off it goes. And there we go. Much more use of that one, don't you think? And of course, this upgrade you can find on our website. I will leave a link in the description below. And that's it for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like. And don't miss out on the Instagram account where you get some previews. And until the next one, see you.